Today we're going to make a super ambient beat. I'm feeling wavy, I'm feeling spacey, so let's just dive right into it. I'm going to start off with this sound right here. Wow. Bro, that shit go crazy. Bro, what if we took these little one shots, drag them in there, and just like chop it up and create the melody like that? So let's just mute that for a second. Let's drag in the other one. Then copy that over and drag in this one. I kind of like that. It's like a cool little start of the melody. Maybe pitch this and see how that sounds. So maybe pitch it up. So I just added this subtle bass just to give like some extra texture in the background. I know it's sounding really aggressive, but at the end it will all like make sense together. What we're going to do now is drag in a one shot from my new kit, Galaxy drum kit. Let's just like mess around with it with like some keys and stuff. But all the sounds that I'm using are in the link in the description, available on astrosample.com. And to add some chords, what I did right here is added some like bottom notes. So let's drag these down. What we're going to do is copy that over and one octave up. These notes right here give some like extra body to the piano. Do this little trick: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know if it will sound good, but let's just check it out. And then for this note right here as well: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I don't like the top notes from this piano right here. So we're going to drag in a bell sound and copy over the top notes onto this bell sound. So right here, copy that over and delete these ones. And then for the chords from the piano, delete the top ones. I don't know, let's just see how this sounds. Bro, I'm floating. Bro, this is super ambient. That's crazy. What I added on this bell sound is or going to add pancake to make it go left and right through your ears. And then I added this guitar rig preset as well, filtered Rome, and it just made it super ambient. It's crazy to me. I love the vibe. brothers. This shit going crazy though. I like it. Let's just add this hi-hat in there, 2-step, and we'll do like type shit like that. And right here, a roll. I can already hear it. And right here, and right here, let's go up. Let's drag this one right here. Play with the velocity, and right here, drag down the velocity. Bro, we're going crazy. That was nasty. All I need right now is like some phrase or some like accent to like make the melody a little bit more unique. It could be like a vocal, it could be like a phrase from anything. So let's just scroll through the packs that we have, and otherwise we'll use splice. I like to use these type of stuff to like spice up the melody, because otherwise it's like it can take your melody from here to just here by adding like a phrase or accent. So make sure to experiment with that as well. Okay, so I added this portal effect on this guitar. Shout out LB for this portal effect, Zenith, but it's kind of off tempo, so I want to see how it sounds when I drag it on tempo. What did we make? That shit go too crazy, bro. I love the beat. I love the vibe. I need to catch your breath, bro. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. All the sounds that I'm using are in the link in the description, available on astrosample.com. Appreciate you guys. Much love. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed cooking up this beat with you guys, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.